Good morning, students. Myself Menka Shukla. Today I am going to teach you English literature. A poem, Giraffes. It is written by Mary Ann Hoberman. Now come to the poem, Giraffe. I like them. Ask me why. Because they hold their heads up high. Because their neck stretched to the sky. Because they are quite calm and shy. Because they run so fast, they fly. Because their eyes are velvet brown. Because their coats are spotted tan. Because they eat the top of trees. Because their legs have knobby knees. Because that's why I like giraffe. This is the poem about giraffe. Here the new words is given: velvet, a thick, shiny, soft material. The eyes of the giraffe are as soft and shiny as velvet. Second one is coats. Here, the fur or the skin on the giraffes. Third, tan, a pale yellowish brown color. Knobby, bony. Mary Ann Hoberman is an award-winning American writer. She has written over 30 books for children. This poem is about giraffe and why they are so delightful and charming. Students, this poem is about giraffe. Or I say that the poem is about animals. Why the poet liked giraffe? This poem is saying. Now I am going to explain this poem as a summary. Please listen very carefully. Now come to the poem. Here the poem begins with the speaker. The poem begins with the speaker saying that she likes giraffes. She then goes on to the reason for liking these animals. Here the poet also expresses why she likes giraffe. There are so many reasons given by poet. She says she likes giraffe because they hold their neck stretched to the sky and rise up to the sky. She also likes them because they are very calm, quiet, shy and gentle animals. She added that giraffe runs so fast. It seems as if they fly. It means that giraffe run very fast. It's so like they are flying. She also say that their eyes are soft, velvet brown. And their coats are spotted tan. Tan color. Spotted means this. You have seen giraffe so many times. In the picture also it is shown that in the giraffe body this is the spots. It is called velveted spot tan. Finally, she says she likes giraffe because they eat the top of trees. Because their necks are so long, they reach the top of the tree and eat their leaves. And their legs, bony knees. The speaker concludes by saying that because of the reason she says that she likes these animals so much. Because of these all reasons, she likes giraffe. And at last I want to explain you that the poet rightly expressed about giraffe. Why the poet loved the animals. The poet used several adjectives. I told you the poet also used several adjectives describing words like quiet, calm, shy and so on to describe about giraffe. It is the poem about giraffe. I explained you that why the poet like giraffe, or I say that why the poet like these animals. Now children, you have to read this lesson very well. It is about giraffe, a poem. This is the poem. You have to learn this poem and these new words, and also read about the poet, what is written, whatever is written in your book. Now come to the next page. Now listen, students, once again about giraffe. I explained you already, but once a time I will explain you more. So please listen it carefully. It is the poem about giraffe. The poet, in the starting of the poem, the giraffe liked them. The poet say that why she like giraffe or the animals. There is the reason given by the poet why she like giraffes. She like giraffe because they hold their head high and can stretch their neck high up to the sky. She also liked them because they are very calm, quiet and shy and gentle animals. She also added that giraffe runs so very fast and it seems that they are flying. She also say that they are velvet brown eyes and their coats are spotted tan. And finally, the speaker want to say that she likes giraffe because they eat the top of trees and their legs are knobby knees. Because that's why I like giraffe. This is the poem about giraffe. The poet express in their words why she likes giraffe. I explain you twice, so please listen it very carefully. You will understand very well. So, and learn the new words. Now come to the exercise here. Understanding the poem. Well, I explain you very well, and you just read that poem and complete this para. First, A. Complete this paragraph about the poem. Then write the complete paragraph in your notebook. First you read the lesson, read the poem, then you have to fill. But I have done for you. Just listen very carefully. The speaker say that she likes giraffes. She gives many reasons for liking them. She likes them because their heads up high and their neck stretched to the sky. She says they are calm, quiet and shy. They run so fast that it feels like they fly. She says she likes them because they have velvet brown eyes and their coats are spotted tan. Finally, she says that she likes giraffe because they like to eat the top of the trees and have knobby knees. So students, I have done for you. You just do it in your copy and learn the poem and the new words. Learn the poem and the new words. So thank you children.